Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you hide categories that don't have any members within them? If we search this website, let's just randomly search for something. So we'll do education and art schools. Let's just do a search. So this category doesn't have any results. So how could we hide that from the drop-down searches? If we go into the back end of the website, we can go to settings, general settings, and then in search settings, we can go down to this setting that says show categories with no members. If we select no, save. We can go back here, back to the main website, and we can see now from the drop down list, there is only one item in the top category, and that's things to do. And then in the subcategory, it's just saying offering to select all. So if we do a search now based on that, this is just a demo website. So there are just a few members on here. We can see now that the drop down lists only contain categories where there are members. So that is how you hide categories that don't have any members within them.